Reason I am a forest gardener and a forest garden designer, and I'm just taking a break because I've been mulching, putting down topsoil and mulch. There's an area at the back of the house, just to open it up. We've had a digger in and clear some space out the back, and yeah, and then we're going to put a bed there because it was just bramble going right to the back of the house. So we're going to put a bed in there and some shrubs, like a kind of jungly garden. And yeah, I've been putting it's shale, kind of mostly shale with a bit of clay in it. So I've been putting topsoil and compost mix on the top, about 3 inches, 4 inches thick. So that'll gradually go in, and that'll provide enough nutrients for plants to be put in there. And it gets water as well, even though it's a bit on the slope. There's water from the top fields that comes in, so there's actually quite a bit of a waterfall going on at the moment. So that's what I've been doing today. I'm having a break, and it's pissed down last night. Loads of weather. There's a very interesting website actually, a friend of mine, Mike, sent over, called Wonderground, and it's like a citizen science sort of thing, where you have where if you've got a weather station, you add it to the network, and then you take your measurements, and it goes up and it's registered, it's all collated. So you've got little different weather stations. We've got one in Pontyarwine, which is just up the road, about 5 miles up the road. And yeah, so it's been raining a lot. There's a lot of water, surface water everywhere, and it's warm. I've got a mozzie bite, which is quite annoying. A mozzie bite in nearly November. This is the I'll show you this is the material we had when we were clearing out the bed at the back. So there's a load of shale here, and I need to level off. There's some extra bits and pieces. I need to level this off, and then I'll put a mixture, like it's just this kind of wildflower mixture, annuals and perennials, and that'd be quite interesting to see what happens with it, because it's going to go to grass eventually anyway. But it's kind of interesting to see. Eventually this will become a forest garden. At the moment it's a bramble field with some trees in it. This is the forest garden Nuttery, but then I'll put a grass seed at the back, so it'll be like a grass path along the back. So this is all, and then the grass path is a perimeter path that goes all the way around. So that's another little job, and there's lots of dead hedging to do as well. So that's the piles that you're just about to see them over there. These are the piles of branches, and I need to top up the dead hedges, and then kind of clear the grass away from the base of the trees. This is an Italian alder, which is they're very happy here, and it's grown. Oh, it's grown loads this year. How much has it grown by? I wonder if you can tell. It looks like it's grown like a 70-80 centimetres. So it's, it's very happy, and that'll be. That's 1.5 meters, and this time next year that'll be over 2 meters tall, and then the next year it'll be 3, and then it'll just go up. They grow really, really fast. And then what you do with an Italian alder, when it grows, you take out the lower branches. Well, not obviously not at the moment, but when it gets bigger, up to around about here, you take out the lower branches so you can walk under it, and it's still a tree. I've got a few of them. I think I've got 3 of them kicking around here, yeah. So they're great, and there's sweet chestnuts and autumn olive, hazel, and there's some pecan. There's a pecan down there that needs rescuing. I think it might be getting a bit swamped by bramble or nettle. That's so there we go, Ceri Valley in glorious warm late October sunshine. You've got a real-time workshop on Monday the 1st, and it's 2 evenings, a 2-parter, Monday the 1st and Monday the 8th of November, 7 p.m. until 9 p.m. Get in touch. I should put a code in the show notes for £9.99. That's only £5 per night for a 2-nighter. So Monday the 1st and Monday the 8th, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. That will be GMT. And then what else? Yes, Wednesday 3rd of November I've got my live stream about bulbs, so very exciting. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon.